Hello, so creative. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning the simple tricks to cut Asoeke either for your bustier or any type of sewing. Okay, so you get your Asoeke fabric as you can see, and then you bring your lining fabric for the Asoeke. So in this case, you could either use satin or crepe. So for this tutorial, I'm using satin. So on the satin of my pattern for my bustier, I've actually added a cotton interface to it. You can see that white thing, that's cotton ST. Okay, so I've done that, and so my pattern was already cut. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm using an heated scissors to cut this Asoeke, because if you don't do that, it is going to fray, and before you know it, while sewing, you could fray completely and there'll be nothing left for you to sew. So these scissors I'm using, I've actually heated it. That's what I'm doing right now. I've just put it in a gas to be hot. So when it's hot, I'll bring the scissors and then cut the Asoeke with it. So I'll just give it some time for it to be hot, and then I bring it to where the table and continue the cutting. So just trying to arrange it properly so that I'll be okay while cutting. So that's it. I've brought the scissors from the gas, and right now I'm actually cutting through the Asoeke fabric, which is beneath my pattern. Yeah, so I'm repeating the earlier step I took by putting it in the gas again, so that it's going to be hot for me to cut the other side that is left. Okay, so I've cut through this eating of the scissors is just to help seal the edge of the Asoeke so that it doesn't fray, like I said earlier. Okay, so after that is done, I'll just pick my pattern and then pick the Asoeke, place the Asoeke on the pattern. So at this point, that's the exact pattern I have. I'll pick my glue, and just at the edge I'll apply the glue to it. So this is just like I want to sew a lace, and then I apply a glue to the edge. Depends on what you do. You could either sew it, but for me, I love to use glue because it doesn't waste time. So I'm just applying this glue to the edge, and after that I'm going to place the Asoeke on it, and with that I can go ahead and have a balanced, a relaxed Asoeke on the lining. That's the first part of the lining, because there'll still be another lining to this dress. It's actually a bustier, so I need it to be balanced, so I can work with. If you don't take this step, you're not gonna be able to work with it, because as you're working with this fabric, it's actually pulling. That's one thing. And then another thing I had observed while working with Asoeke is that you do not have to iron the fabric directly. Even when I'd covered something on the Asoeke while ironing the bust area, I still find out that it had the tendency to peel. It didn't peel, but it was fading. So I was having a kind of a silver, reflection on that line where the bust area was cut, because I was trying to iron it properly. So I had covered fabric. Please do not iron it directly on the Asoeke. You're going to lose your fabric. Okay, so see you next time. Don't forget to like and